Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from Pandabuy account and all official ways, all steps you can see on your screen also. So let's get started.
Open Pandabuy and log into your account. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Go to the User Center. In the User Center, navigate to your wallet to check your balance. If you have a balance and want to withdraw, click on the refund option. Pandabuy will initiate a refund to your original payment account, example bank account. The process usually takes 2 to 3 days, and the amount will be frozen during this period. Once completed, the balance will be sent to your original account. Withdrawing money from Pandabuy is easy and quick.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily remove, or you can say easily withdraw your money from Pandabuy account. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.